What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotics. Today's an exciting day. Why? Well, because we are going to have 4 Lamborghinis back on the channel. The Tire Slayer and the Clutch Slayer. Now, you guys nicknamed it the Clutch Slayer. It's never slayed a clutch. It was slaying axles.
What's the Squadra? What do we call the Squadra? What does it slay?
That's the Clutch Slayer, not the manual Murcielago. Anyhow, we're gonna go because Plycon Automotive Logistics has delivered the cars as they always do for us. Both cars coming to August Luxury Motor Cars right now, so we need to hit the road.
We're gonna have a shot today of all 4 Lamborghinis together for the first time ever on DDE, so stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Let's go right now.
Oh, as much as I love the 720S.
My first true love of supercars is Lamborghini. If you didn't know that, now you know. The secret's out. It's not Ferrari, it's definitely not Porsche.
And as much as I like McLaren as a brand, there's a reason why.
I've had 3 Lamborghinis in my life. This is my first McLaren, and I've only had 1, 2, well, I've had actually 3 Ferraris.
Flex! Your car is so dumped. Ow. It looks so good.
Hold on, but your doors, don't do this.
All right, guys. Full active race mode. And go there. Oh, we're ready to roll now.
Air brake. Car pulls so hard.
We are back!
The cars are right there, and we're just gonna park and reveal the brand new wrap on the Mercy, and the Huracan's got a little different look to it right now too. It went a little more on the OEM side, you'll see what I mean.
This is it. Look at it, you guys.
I'm not even gonna tease you.
Check it out. The Tire Slayer's red. Rosso Mauve.
How good it looks.
Well, I mean, it looks pretty basic.
Appreciate the red, the Rosso Mars.
It's cool to have it back.
I love this car, you guys. Tire Slayer version 2. The OG Tire Slayer. We debate about this all the time. The original Tire Slayer, like the original Tire Slayer, was my Gallardo. You have to go way back. Because I made a bunch of videos slaying tires. Jim Kahana practice video with the Lamborghini. That was the OG Tire Slayer, because I destroyed those tires in that video. Then, you guys are mainly calling the original Tire Slayer the 458 wide body. That had a longer run. That's kind of when the channel started to get more consistent, because I started daily vlogging. And that car had a short run because it got totaled. Then I purposely bought a rear-wheel drive
Huracan, and this became what is now known the main Tire Slayer. This car has built the channel for 4 years.
Yeah, this car is very well known.
And this car went from 50,000 subscribers, 2.5 million today. This is the one that you guys know the most.
I'm trying to remember the last time this car was in a vlog.
I think 5 months.
Jeez.
Guess what? The car behind it, we haven't had this car really on the channel driving for 10 months, twice as long as this.
It's actually 11 months now because it was August it went down, and it's July now.
So who's excited to see this car come off the trailer? But before we take this car off,
we gotta take the Murcielago. This car is my baby. It's ultra rare. This is a manual, so gated manual, V12 LP640.
It looks so good.
Oh, this car is so sick. Let's unstrap this thing and fire it up. Hell yeah! New color is it pink or is it purple or is it both? It's actually called Fierce Fuchsia by 3M. The Murcielago is officially back on Daily Driven Exotics.
I'm really enjoying this video so far, but before we go any further, I have to thank today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Let's go play some games. I'm in. We need somewhere quiet to play Raid Shadow Legends, and unfortunately, Mike's in his office. We had to find somewhere to go play. I think I may have found somewhere. Hold on. Success. Boom. Do you want to be a hero of your own fantasy? Well, let's dive into the game right now. First things first, check out how sick the graphics are. I'm gonna fight this guy. You're going down. Raid is free to play and is available for both mobile devices and PC. All right, guys, let's check out the portal. There's a mystery shard. Check this out. You're gonna love this. Check out the graphics when I summon this mystery shard. Ready? What's up, dude? Squire level 1. Look at that. Look at the graphics. Look at that armor. This guy means business. Hold on. Is it me, or does that look like the billionaire Mike Hall? Alright, guys. Now I want to show you their brand new feature, the Tag Team Arena, which is the next level of competition PvP battles. Instead of a single 4 versus 4 battle like in a classic arena, it's actually a series of 3 4 versus 4 battles. It's the best of 3. Whoever wins 2 battles wins the series. And since it's brand new, Raid is giving out some special rewards to whoever finishes with a high ranking. So if you're like me and you love competitive PvP with some huge rewards, you're gonna love the Tag Team Arena. Guys, I absolutely love playing this game. If you wanna play with me, search my username Dave_DDE. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to download Raid now and get exclusive rewards. And if you're a new player, you'll get 100,000 silver coins plus a free champion, the Jotun, which is a really awesome champion that you can usually get after playing the game for quite a while. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. Alright guys, I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Click the link in the description, download Raid, and start getting exclusive rewards.
We have some major people to thank. First and foremost is Ryan at Exotics Recycling, who provided a new engine for this car. Why did I need a new engine? Well, we'll get into that a little later. So this car, in order to drive it properly, needs some time to warm up. Get the oil warm, get the water warm. So we're just gonna let it idle, and we're gonna pull out the twin turbo Tire Slayer. Super excited to pull this car off. We're gonna do some fun pulls with the boys here at August.
You liking it?
I love it.
A billionaire is impressed. That's pretty good. He owns jets.
Buy a pink car.
So is it pink or purple? What's your...
I would say purple.
It changes colors a bit.
It looks purple to me, though.
You son of a... It's pink in my opinion. The official color is Fierce Fuchsia.
You wanna hear it?
Yeah. Let's take a listen. It blew my hair back that thing. I got a lot of gel in my hair.
Gas run, and then we're gonna take the Tire Slayer out.
Be easy on her. She's been through a lot in the past year.
I'm gonna get right on that.
It's hard to get in.
You know, it's a nice car, but it doesn't have Bluetooth.
Shut up, Dave.
Get off the throttle, David.
Oh, she's shifting really nice too.
Holy. It pulls hard.
Yeah, it's cool. It's 640 horsepower. V12. It's like you at the gym. Gun show central. And a really tall first gear.
All right, they're doing the Mercy test drive. Time to unload the Tire Slayer.
Ready, man? You ready?
Car looks super sick in red, and check out the twin turb skis. Now guess what? My Huracan, we're getting 2 turbos. I'm almost thinking maybe 3 turbos. Okay, let's just get the car off the ramp. Very rich being turbo, so yeah, I don't want to sit there too long. Huge thank you to Fly Car. You guys getting the cars out of the US. This car's been through some when I bought it, got supercharged right away. Did a snowball rally, countless donuts. It's 8 in transmission, it's 8 in the motor. That was bad.
Businesses around here trying to operate. We try and be professional.
What's the address here?
It's 884 McCurdy Place, where car buying is easier than you think.
What do you guys think of the Tire Slayer?
It looks good.
You like it?
It looks really good. Yeah.
You want to buy it? For sale! Everything's for sale for $500,000. You want to do it?
Driven too hard. His credit.
No, it hasn't.
You're right, it hasn't. I'll take it. You're a good salesman, Dave.
Thanks, man.
You want a job here? You want to get promoted from night janitor?
Day janitor?
to Sunday sales?
Sunday sales.
We'll put you in Sunday sales.
Oh, she was empty. $125.
She's like a diesel truck.
And one of the coolest things about the OG Lambos, look at that, you guys. Billet Lamborghini gas cap. And you don't want to lose this. I lost mine on my Gallardo once. I put it up here and drove away.
I came back in like 15 minutes and someone stole it. It was $400.
We're keeping this one. This is a souvenir. This is probably the biggest gas bill I've ever had in a car.
Oh, Mikey Mike, we got the shifter. Long first gear. Find it out. Listen to the symphony. And boom. Good to have her back.
Love that sound.
Oh! Woo! Oh, I can't believe we have that back.
Oh.
Yeah, play with it, play with it.
Play with it.
Put your hand on my stick.
stick. It feels so nice.
This is so wrong. Oh, Mike, I am one happy dude.
That is awesome.
Now you want to go for a ride in that son of a...
Well, I'm happy. Huge shout out to Anthony, Mad Whips. Thank you for babying this thing, taking care of it for 10 long months and getting it all taken care of, along with Ryan at Exotics Recycling. If you guys need parts for your exotic car, there'll be a link in the description of this video and you need to hit up Ryan. He can get you anything.
How was the first drive?
Amazing.
Was it good?
Dude, it actually drives the way it should have. This car's been screwed up from day one. We got to the source of the issue, which was a cracked block. We could have fixed it. It would have been the exact same amount of money for a better, newer engine.
No problem here. I got a Mercy key. I got a 720 key. Can I get the other Lamborghini? Can I get the other Lamborghini? You just hold the Murcielago key and the 720 key, and I'll just take the Huracan.
We also have the Skoda Corsa key inside.
Guys, the sun came out. So the Fierce Fuchsia does go from like a purplish tone to a really bright pink in the sun. How's that?
That's pink.
It's a metallic wrap. I think it's the first metallic wrap I've ever had on any of our cars. That's why I went with a solid color, because it kind of changes color on its own.
Now you're just showing off, Damon. Matt August, any thoughts on the Murcielago now it's back?
Then he won't have to drive the Corvette anymore, so that makes me
That's why I'm so happy too.
What did he say?
Nothing said nice things about you.
Son of a...
really nice thing.
All right, boys, who's going first? Matt August, you've won the prize.
Well, I got a good life insurance, I guess.
Yeah, make sure you got my name spelled right in your will.
I've been in this car while it burst into flames, so don't talk to me about being scared.
Facts.
Whoa! You can literally taste it.
Ready for this?
No, he's not ready.
I have no idea if this car has TC or doesn't have TC or what's going on, but we're about to find out.
Life jacket out of my office.
Your life jacket? You don't need a life jacket. You need a parachute in this thing. Jump out.
I gotta go fishing this weekend. You can't kill me now.
Hold on. Let me put it in scary mode. There's no airbags apparently, because the airbag fault's on. So
Psych! Matt August.
What do you think?
I've never felt that in a car other than like that the flying helicopters and stuff. You get that like loss of me.
Oh, they're back. How was that, bud?
That was fantastic.
Is that fantastic? Did you do a really good parallel park for you and everything, show off his driving skills?
You know what? It's neat how slow this car can actually go.
It's at 50 kilometers an hour, so good. Oh, get Mike.
What do you think Mike's reaction is going to be?
I
Do you need a minute, Matt?
maybe.
How was it?
It's not that bad.
Did
you eat lunch yet?
No, thank God.
Have you been in this car before?
No, never. My stomach's starting to turn a bit already. Like a ride you're going on to that you're scared of.
Oh, yeah. You don't even know.
Kids, I love you.
I love you, kids.
Fuck! I almost pushed my foot through the floor.
Warming up.
You son of a... I almost pushed my feet right through the floor.
What do you think?
What do you think?
Was it?
I gotta swallow my testicles back down.
Is it fast?
Is it fast?
Chill.
Chill. Okay.
Up here?
Up here. All the... Oh! What the hell is that? Holy shit. What the hell is that? Oh my God. Holy shit. There is a urine stain on your seat for sure. Anyone that has not experienced this car, it is probably the scariest thing I've ever been in. Oh no. And And make me look manly in it, Jamie.
Good luck, Jamie.
Okay. Yes, you can play road. Oh, woo! It just spins like.
It's spinning. It's right here.
Oh, Mike is back. Wow, that's low. Hey, buddy, how you doing? What out, he says.
That car is violent.
Next question is,
What says the gas tank on?
yeah, son of a.
Son of a.
I'm pretty sure it's on that side.
Oh yeah, I think so. The seats are actually pretty comfortable.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
Like,
Really though, right?
Yeah.
especially when you're like, I'd say a plus size gentleman like us.
Plus size.